Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Just because we are now towards the end of the year does not mean we are out of the woods when it comes to insects and things chewing up the lawn. If you look at this lawn, see how it's a little bit yellowish tinted on the top? This is not water. If you take a look at it, I'll flip the camera around and show you exactly what to do to look for it. This is actually something called sod webworm chewing up the lawn. So I've gone in this area, and you basically, let's go in a new area, you grab a handful, and you see how it's peeling back. It's peeling back pretty easy. It peels back like carpet, not just the blades of grass, but you're gonna get the actual soil, you're gonna get the roots, you're gonna get the thatch layer. Now you're gonna have to do some digging around. Now if you dig around, you're gonna see this. You've got sod webworm right here, or bluegrass weevil as well. We've got a few different types of things in here, but these are actually causing this damage. So if you have this in your lawn, what you're going to want to do is either A, call us and we'll get rid of them for you, or B, go and get some insecticide and put it down and then water it in after you apply this down. You're going to want to keep an eye on it. We've had a very warm season, so these bugs and these insects are getting an extra life cycle, so we're likely to see these through the month of October this year. So we're not out of the woods, but pay close attention. Do not just turn the watering up because we are in a drought and it's not going to do anything anyways. Hope you have a good day. Let us know if you need anything. We'd love to help you out.